Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I gonna share Zapier super powerful process. Recently Zapier launched AI system. That process you don't need to understand everything, you don't need to coding or anything. You can simply write a prompt and you can get a workflow from your system. Simply go to Google, just search zapier.com and simply sign up the Zapier platform. Then you can see that interface that called is workspace. If you go to the left side corner, you can see create option. Just simply click create and you can see a lot of options like zaps, tables, interface, canvas, chatbot, agent. Every system purpose, every work. And we can simply click the zap section and you can see simply that interface that is called workflow section. In this section you can see simply firstly trigger option, action, trigger action. You can see lot of option, but if you need any workflow you have to learn workflow. Then you can see setup, but don't worry if you don't know anything. Zapier provided recently their launch AI system. You can simply write a shortly prompt. If I simply write create I want to create like simply Gmail auto reply system. Just simply I write the short prompt and they can create a workflow. I just simply send the prompt and just wait and see, and Zapier create a workflow automatically. You don't need to any coding, you don't need to AI agent and AI automation and knowledge, and you can simply write the prompt and Zapier create a workflow. You can see Zapier already created the Gmail auto reply system. Like simply you have to set up Gmail and then they can easily working. And if you want to create anything, just simply from that. And if I create another workflow, I simply like I would like to create, simply write I would like to create whatsapp whatsapp auto reply agent. That I simply write that agent handle my all messes. I just simply short platform. You can if you write details prompt, you can get better output. I simply like that prompt and simply send the prompt, and just we can see Zapier created automatically workflow my WhatsApp automation. And if you wait and see the Zapier is the most super powerful platform, automation platform. Like anything we can know anything, the super powerful automation platform. But like Zapier is the super powerful and old platform, and recently they system that platform, and you can create anything like WhatsApp automation, email automation, CRM, uh, lead automation. You can see setup, but recently launched that system, but that system working is not good. But, if they provide the new system, but I think in the future we can get a better output. But if you need any help, like anything Zapier, if you need any workflow, just DM us in the comment section. I provide my WhatsApp and contact number. So thank you very much for watching my video. See you next video.